Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am cooking this evening. I love to cook and I can't remember how to combine these videos into one video for YouTube. So if you see two separate videos, then you'll know why. But or maybe I can do it this way. I don't know. So I'm not into all this editing and stuff right now for YouTube because I'm extremely too busy. But today's dinner, this evening's dinner, is going to be some collards. That's some smoked turkey meat that I cooked up and letting that kind of simmer in that. I love collards. Collards are my favorite vegetable. Collard greens. Oh my God, my mom makes the best collards. I'm from South Carolina originally, and my mama made me some collard greens. Normally every time I go home, but you know what, guys? This time when I was home for Mother's Day week, she did not make me no collards. But she did make me salmon croquettes. Yes, and they were delicious. So I'm also making some lemon pepper salmon to go with it. So I have the skin on right now. That's cooking. I like to cook it kind of slow, not too fast with salmon. So I'm slow cooking it with the skin side first. And then last night we had some Asian food. So we had some white rice left over. So I'm going to warm this rice up after when this salmon gets finished cooking. I'm going to actually put the rice in the same pan with that butter, so it'll be a nice like buttery rice. So that's the plan. So, and I love using olive oil to cook with, and also country crock. So today I'm using country crock because I like my salmon to have a nice taste. It tastes different when you use olive oil versus butter when cooking certain things. So I like cooking my salmon in butter. It just to me it's juicier. So I'm just gonna, I have this like turned very low right now, just as a simmer. But I think I'm gonna crank it back up a little bit. So some of the water has boiled down, but I'm gonna crank it back up a little bit. And I do eat this meat here. It's so good. So what I'm gonna do, I kind of like take a knife and kind of like slice this off the bone so that it can get all incorporated. But this is so delicious. I will eat this meat. Yes, I will. This is some delicious food right there. So I'm gonna let that cook some more. And then I'm gonna just tend to my salmon. And you don't want your salmon to be like really like dry. So you can like kind of see like right there it's cooking, first, like the bottom layer. And then I'll probably end up flipping it in a few minutes. And then I'll flip it again. Because I like the bottom part, the skin. I just call it the flesh to be kind of crispy. I love eating the flesh. Some people do not like eating the flesh. I love eating the flesh. I like to get it nice and crispy. So drop in the comments below. Do you like collard greens? Yes or no? Do you like salmon? Yes or no? Do you like white rice? Yes or no? Do you cook with olive oil or butter? Let me know. Okay, so drop in the comments below. Also drop in the comments below what are you cooking tonight? I really want to know. Thanks. Have a good evening. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, all that great stuff. Bye-bye.